Apparently, I've angered the YouTube gods again. This is the first time this has actually happened. I got an email today from YouTube Community Guidelines that says, "Hi, Salty Dog Outdoors. We wanted to let you know that our team has reviewed your content and we don't think it's in line with our community guidelines. As a result, we've age restricted the following content. Video. Making a tincture with mullein. Verbascum thapsus." Now, I went back and watched the video again. I can't see anything that should have made him mad in there. And my whole channel is set to not kid appropriate. So I don't know what them coming in and age restricting one video is doing. Said click here to review our community guidelines. Click here to do that. Click here to do this. Check out our Creator Academy. Tells me to do all that kind of stuff. The only thing I can think of is that it's got alcohol in it. But then again, every other making a tincture video on YouTube has alcohol in it. There's a lot of cooking videos out there that use alcohol in their cooking. So, I really can't figure out what made him mad. Apparently I'm on somebody's radar. Either that or somebody didn't like me and they reported me. It doesn't say it was reported, but I don't know how this works. So, apparently, I've made the YouTube gods mad again. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Our view time's up. Our watch time's up. Our actual view count is down. I don't understand that one. From the average, not down total. From the average. So you guys are getting me there. I appreciate it. See y'all in the woods, I hope. And once again, thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Thanks for supporting my friends. Thanks for all that other stuff. And my son, my youngest son, who has appointed himself as my social media manager. That's Jacob, in case y'all don't know. He says I need to make sure that I end every video with my, I guess it's my catchphrase, see you in the woods. So, see you in the woods.